in the Bürgenstock
Not quite that many.
trying to get out. We have now made it out and we are headed up to the left. So dear,
Yeah.
little trivia.
Okay.
Who got married here?
Who got married here?
Yeah.
Sean Connery.
No.
I have no idea.
Audrey Hepburn
Really?
got married in that church.
Is that right?
Yes, that's right. All right, we just walked up that hill. It's steep, but doable. Mark's going the wrong way.
Oh, I am.
Dates back to 1873. Now, if you scan, you can find out more information.
Wow.
All right, we are headed up this path to the Hammetschwand Lift. I probably butchered that. I am sorry for all you Swiss people. I'm sorry. All right, you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
He's got his stopwatch started.
Yep.
And here we go. If you want to do a shortcut, ha ha ha. Mark's looking at those like, do we go up there? Stop. Okay, Mark, do you want to do the shortcut? Ding, 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 ding. No.
Without a handrail? No.
No. I think maybe we're halfway. I don't know. A quarter, three quarters?
75%.
All right, we're doing it.
We are.
And so far we've only passed 2 people, so we came at the right time.
Yeah, we did.